A share boundlessness cost truly equivalent to $6.0894 a coin in an especially significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 5.98766.1190, in a by and large significant manner. The earlier day close, 6.0478, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The change really was plus 0.0416. Plus 0.69%. Converse rate, United States dollars to Axies, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. A share boundlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday, July 31, cost $6.02, beautiful most extreme 6.44, least 5.60. Which is genuinely critical. A share limitlessness estimate on Tuesday, August 1, cost $6.06, fundamentally greatest 6.48, sort of least 5.64 in an especially significant manner. A share boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, August 2, cost $5.95, especially greatest 6.37. Least 5.53, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share boundlessness gauge on Thursday, August 3, cost $5.64, truly greatest 6.03, truly least 5.25. A share limitlessness value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, which really is very huge. In multi-week a share vastness cost expectation on Friday, August 4, cost $5.75, sort of greatest 6.15, truly least 5.35. Which basically is very huge. A share boundlessness estimate on Monday, August 7, cost $5.65, genuinely greatest 6.05, really least 5.25 in a genuinely significant way. A share vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost $5.65, kind of greatest 6.05, kind of least 5.25. A share vastness figure on Wednesday, August 9, cost $5.73. Lovely most extreme 6.13, sort of least 5.33 in a very significant manner. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost $5.82, kind of greatest 6.23, kind of least 5.41, which sort of is very huge. In about 14 days a share boundlessness figure on Friday, August 11, cost $5.78, by and large most extreme 6.18. Fundamentally least 5.38. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, August 14, cost $5.91, truly greatest 6.32, sort of least 5.50 in an exceptionally significant manner. A share vastness gauge on Tuesday, August 15, cost $5.78, by and large greatest 6.18, sort of least 5.38 in an in every practical sense enormous way. A share vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, August 16, cost $5.72 in every way that really matters, greatest 6.12, least 5.32, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. A share vastness conjecture on Thursday, August 17, cost $5.47, genuinely most extreme 5.85, by and large least 5.09. So in multi-week a share limitlessness cost expectation on Friday, August 4, cost $5.75, lovely greatest 6.15, especially least 5.35 in a for the most part enormous manner. In 3 weeks a share boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, August 18, cost $6.10, by and large greatest 6.53, especially least 5.67. Or so they for the most part thought. A share vastness conjecture on Monday, August 21, cost $6.18, essentially greatest 6.61, really least 5.75. A share vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, August 22, cost $6.32, truly most extreme 6.76, sort of least 5.88, which really is very critical. A share endlessness gauge on Wednesday, August 23, cost $6.32, especially most extreme 6.76, in every way that really matters, least 5.88, which truly is genuinely critical. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, August 24, cost $6.23, greatest 6.67, least 5.79, which generally is genuinely huge. In about a month a share limitlessness figure on Friday, August 25, cost $6.13, certainly greatest 6.56, beautiful least 5.70 in an unobtrusive way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday, August 28, cost $6.30, sort of greatest 6.74, essentially least 5.86, or so they generally thought. Axie limitlessness figure on Tuesday, August 29, cost $6.13, by and large most extreme 6.56, truly least 5.70, which explicitly shows that the change especially was plus 0.0416, plus 0.69%, which truly is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Axie today. United States dollars to Axie swapping scale truly equivalent to 0.1642 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today's reach 0.1634, 0.1670 in an unobtrusive way. The past day's nearby 0.1653, which truly shows that Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, August 2, cost $5.95. Sort of greatest 6.37, truly least 5.53, or so they basically thought. Change for now 0.0011, 0.67%, so today's reach 0.1634, 0.1670, United States dollars to Axie cost conjecture 4. In the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Monday, July 31, cost 0.166 coins, most extreme 0.179, least 0.155 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Axie forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost 0.165 coins, by and large greatest 0.177, by and large least 0.154, which especially is very huge. Dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Wednesday, August 2, cost 0.168 coins, really most extreme 0.181, certainly least 0.157, which basically is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Axie expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost 0.177 coins, sort of most extreme 0.190, least 0.166, in spite of mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Friday, August 4, cost 0.174 coins, lovely most extreme 0.187, exceptionally least 0.163. United States dollars to Axie expectation on Monday, August 7, cost 0.177 coins, certainly greatest 0.190, beautiful least 0.165, which generally is genuinely critical. Dollar to Axie boundlessness figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost 0.177 coins, extremely greatest 0.190, least 0.165, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Axie expectation